Hey guys, in this video I will tell you, can you pay with PayPal on Amazon? Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Amazon. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course add whatever you're wanting to buy your cart. So for example, if I want to buy this gaming laptop, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add this to my cart. Then what we can do is come into our cart. Now in our cart, you can see this is ready to go, ready, be paid for. So what we're going to do is click on Proceed to Checkout. That's going to take us a screen like this. And you can see currently, I've got my card set to pay for this. Now if we click on Change up here, you're going to notice that it's going to load up some payment information. You can see the different ways that we can go ahead and pay for this item. So you can see we've got our credit and debit cards here. If we scroll down, we've also got the option to enter a gift card, promotional code, or the option to pay by installments. But as you can see, there's currently no option to pay by PayPal. So can you actually use PayPal on Amazon? The answer is yes, you can still use it. However, to do this, you cannot do it directly, but there is still a way to do this. And the way to do this is actually purchase an Amazon gift card from a website. Now, of course, when you do this, you want to check that the site itself does accept PayPal as a payment method. One website that does offer this is called Dundle.com. As you can see, if we come across to Dundle, we've got the option to purchase an Amazon gift card. Now, if we actually go ahead and click onto Amazon gift card, you can see the different options available. For myself in the UK, I've got option of like £5, 10s, 25s, and so on forth, all the way up to a value of £100. So what you want to do is basically choose what kind of value gift card you want. So say, for example, £15 Amazon gift card. What I'm going to do is quickly Buy Now button here. What it's going to do is take us our cart, and if we actually go ahead, click on to Choose Payment Method, as you can see in the Payment Methods section, we've got the option of how to pay for this. So you can see we've got like Apple Pay, Visa card, and of course you can see the PayPal icon here, which means you can use PayPal to purchase this Amazon gift card. Now, of course, once you've purchased this Amazon gift card with PayPal, what you can do is come back to your cart in Amazon, and you're going to see here the option, enter your gift card code here. So once you've purchased this, you would just enter the code from gift card here. Just be aware when you're doing this that you do check out the website first. Make sure it is legit. Dundle, a website, I have used them in the past. And that is why one particular website that does accept PayPal as a payment method. So of course, even though you cannot directly use PayPal on Amazon, alternatively what you can do is use a gift card website, purchase the gift card with PayPal for Amazon, then come across and use your Amazon gift card here. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.